Imagine waking up and not feeling like a haunted house with a heartbeat. No crawling to the kitchen, no emergency coffee, no staring at your laptop like it personally betrayed you. You just wake up, clear head, good mood, energy that actually lasts past lunch. Sounds fake, but it's not. Because being tired all the time, that's not normal. It's just common. And today, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Naturally. No weird powders, no fake hacks, just real science. And small habits that make your body work with you instead of against you. Let's be honest. A lot of us aren't actually low on time. We're low on energy. You sleep, but still wake up tired. You sit down to work, but your brain feels like it's buffering. You open your phone for 2 minutes, and suddenly an hour disappears. By the afternoon, everything feels harder. Replying to a message feels like effort. Doing basic work feels heavy. Even things you care about feel exhausting. And over time, you start making up stories. Maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe I need more discipline. Maybe everyone feels like this. No, what you're feeling is often your body waving a giant red flag, not because something is wrong with you, but because your body has needs, and modern life is really good at making you ignore them. Then why you feel drained? Your body is constantly trying to make energy, but energy doesn't come from motivation. It comes from systems. Think of your body like a power station. For it to run well, 3 things need to work: your sleep pressure, your stress response, and your energy supply. Let's break that down. First, your body runs on a daily rhythm, a built-in timing system that tells you when to wake up, when to focus, and when to wind down. 24-hour circadian rhythm. But if your mornings are dark, your nights are bright, and your sleep is random, your body loses the signal. That's why you can feel tired, even after sleeping. Second, your brain hates instability. When you skip meals, live on snacks, or keep chasing quick dopamine, your blood sugar goes up and down. So does your energy. Your brain responds by slowing things down. That's the crash. Third, your body needs movement, not because of fitness goals, because your brain and muscles are designed to work together. When you sit all day, your body becomes efficient at one thing, feeling sluggish. You don't need more hustle, you need better inputs. Here's the good part. You can feel better surprisingly fast, not by changing your whole life, but by fixing a few invisible leaks. Here are the 5 natural energy fixes. 1. Start your day with light, not a screen. Your brain needs light to know the day has started. Get sunlight in your eyes early, not through a window, outside. Even 10 minutes helps reset your body clock. It improves energy now and sleep later. 2. Stop making your first hour chaotic. How you start your day matters. If the first thing you do is rush, scroll, or stress, your body stays tense. Try this. No phone for 20 minutes. Water, fresh air. Move a little. Give your brain a clean start. 3. Eat to support energy, not entertainment. A lot of tiredness is unstable fuel. Highly processed food gives fast pleasure and slow regret. Build meals that actually support you. Protein, fiber, healthy fats. Your brain works better when your body feels safe. 4. Break the sitting spell. Your body is not built to sit still for 10 hours. Movement boosts blood flow, oxygen, focus. Set a rule. Every hour, stand up, stretch, walk. Even 2 minutes matters. Energy likes motion. 5. Build a shutdown routine at night. Your next day starts the night before. If your brain never gets the signal to slow down, your sleep won't feel restorative. Try a simple shutdown, dim lights, less screen, same sleep time. Don't chase perfect sleep. Build predictable sleep. That's what restores you. You are not supposed to feel half alive every day. Dragging yourself through life is not a personality trait. It's usually a signal. And the beautiful part? Your body wants to help you. It wants rhythm, fuel, light, movement, rest. That's how real energy is built. Not in one massive life change, but in small choices. that your future self will thank you for. Start with one today, because feeling good with you shouldn't be rare.